All right, more tapping exercises. This time we're fretting at the 5th and we're going, okay, which would be 6, 7, this is be the 8, and then we're tapping on the 12th fret with this hand. So when you're starting out, you're gonna go slow. You're gonna tap on the 12th with your index finger. Okay, you're gonna hold this position here. Hold this down here like this, and you're gonna go tap and pull off. See that? Okay, one more time. Okay, then we're just gonna move it up a string. Okay, so we're gonna go slow. It makes for a nice little fill for a solo, and you can move that around wherever you want, but that's essentially how you play that. Now, bonus tip, try to hold the strings so they don't ring out too much with your palm. Okay, like this. See how it's on there? And then you're just gonna tap, just make sure that that note's ringing out. So probably the part that you don't see is how I'm trying to make sure that those notes ring out, but at the same time it's not overly done, so you're not getting too much noise. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Hey, if you enjoy that, then you'll definitely want to